Hi, this is Simon welcoming you to 27 Bukit Pelangi 3. This is a terrace house, very spacious. As we enter, this is the dining area, and to the right is a spacious and well-furnished living area with several sofas, nice lighting and fan. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs. This is a large master room with a queen bed, 2 side tables, a large wardrobe. It has both ceiling fan and a Panasonic air conditioner. And in the bathroom, the ensuite bathroom, there is a hot water heater, WC and basin. This is the 2nd bedroom. It's spacious enough for a queen bed. Has windows, aircon, wardrobe, mirror, ceiling fan, and a shared bathroom through this door. The 3rd bedroom also has a queen bed, mirror, Panasonic aircon and fan, attached shared bathroom, and a window overlooking matured trees. Coming downstairs again, you can see the kitchen, which is equipped with fridge, microwave, and kitchen sink, and at the back there's a washing machine. Next to the kitchen is the 4th bedroom with a ceiling fan, lights, windows, table, bed, which can be used as either a maid room or a study room. To sum up, there is a large master bedroom upstairs, 2 bedrooms with attached bath, a spacious dining area, and a spacious living area. The highlight of this house is the well-matured trees on the cul-de-sac road where there are no through traffic, and a very nice community neighborhood of Bukit Pelangi. If you like this unit, please contact Simon at 012-481-6699. Thanks.